In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks effectively with a focus on creating and managing checks. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the interface, I'll walk you through each step to help you feel comfortable and efficient. Let's start by heading over to QuickBooks. Once you've opened your preferred web browser, type in the QuickBooks URL or use a saved bookmark to quickly access the homepage. If you aren't already signed in, you'll need to enter your login information to gain access to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks homepage, which serves as the control center for all your financial activities. Now, let's focus on initiating a new transaction. What you need to do first is locate the New button. This button acts as a gateway for starting any new transaction records, and clicking it will unveil a menu of transaction types. This menu is your starting point for many financial actions, allowing you to create new checks, invoices, and many other transaction types. Today, we are specifically interested in checks, so go ahead and click on the Check option from that menu. Once you click Check, you are directed to a form designed to capture all vital information pertaining to the check you'll be preparing. On this page, you'll start by selecting a payee. This might be a business or an individual to whom the check is being issued. Make sure you have verified all their details to avoid any discrepancies. Next up is choosing the bank account from which the funds will be drawn. This is quite crucial as you need to ensure you select the correct account, considering how it impacts both your bank balance and financial records. As you follow along, don't forget about the mailing address. It's best practice to confirm that all details here are accurate, reflecting the address of the payee to ensure the check reaches its intended destination. Now it's time to set the payment date. The payment date is the day you're planning to issue this payment, and it determines when the funds will be deducted from your account. Following that, you will notice a place to enter the check number. The check number should synchronize with your physical checkbook to properly track and reconcile your transactions later. Lastly, there's the permit number. If required by your organization or for tracking purposes, fill in this field to maintain consistent records for auditing or compliance. And that's it. By following these steps, you can neatly wrap up the process of creating a check within QuickBooks. Make sure to double-check all entered information before finalizing the transaction to ensure accuracy. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps simplify your check issuing process in QuickBooks.